You cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust your sails to reach your destination. We have two lives, and the second begins when we realize we only have one. You'll ruin your life trying to make everyone happy. Stop and value your own happiness. Don't set yourself on fire to keep others warm. Your well-being should always come first. Never take someone's feelings for granted. You never know how much courage they took to share them. Whatever is causing you worry or pain right now won't cause you worry or pain forever. It will pass with time. Life becomes so much easier when you stop taking everything personally and start focusing on what truly matters. Life is about balance. Be kind, but don't let people abuse you. Trust, but don't be deceived. Be content, but never stop improving yourself. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Focus on thoughts that empower you. No matter how much suffering you went through, you never wanted to let go of those memories. They shaped you. Sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together. Trust the process of life. If you give up on your dreams, what's left? Hold on to your vision, even when it's hard. Courage is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets over time. Letting go means coming to the realization that some people are part of your history, not your destiny. 20 years from now, you'll be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than the ones you did. Take the risk. No amount of regretting can change the past, and no amount of worrying can change the future. Live now. Try not to become a man of success, but rather strive to become a man of value. That's what truly lasts. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. It's your mindset that makes the difference. Once you realize you deserve a bright future, letting go of your dark past is the best choice you will ever make. Your greatest self has been waiting your whole life. Don't make it wait any longer. Act now. The time you kill does not die without avenging itself. Use your time wisely. All we are is the result of all we have thought. Your thoughts create your reality. Don't leave someone to teach them a lesson. Leave because you learned yours and deserve better. Greed is like gravity, a force that relentlessly pulls everything toward itself until it collapses under its own weight. Success is determined by how peaceful you feel within yourself, not by the approval of others. Inner peace is the key. To achieve great work, you must love what you do. Passion fuels excellence. Being strong doesn't always mean you have to fight the battle. True, strength is being adult enough to walk away from nonsense with your head held high. Slow progress is better than no progress. Stay positive, stay consistent, and don't give up. Being kissed while you're asleep is one of the purest and most silent forms of love. Cherish those moments. Don't be a parrot in life. Be an eagle. A parrot talks too much but can't fly high, while an eagle is silent but soars to great heights. Never leave a true relationship for a few faults. Nobody is perfect, nobody is correct, but affection is always greater than perfection. Nobody was born ugly. The problem is we live in a judgmental society that labels beauty unfairly. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, To love, gratitude changes everything. True wisdom lies not in knowing everything, but in understanding the value of the things we do not know. Achieving success does not guarantee happiness. Being happy and content is the real secret to achieving success. If you enjoy what you're doing, success will follow naturally. Passion attracts greatness. Neglecting health is like ignoring weeds in a garden. They'll take over before you notice the flowers are gone. Don't focus on being successful. Focus on being valuable. Value attracts success naturally. Be the author of your own book, or you might become just a character in someone else's story. Success is a shy cat. It won't come to you if you just call. You must entice it with the cream of your effort. Tears are like words that just have to be written down. They hold untold stories. When you keep a happy face but feel sad inside, and it's hard to talk because of the lump in your throat, that's when you begin to understand relationships deeply. To see someone's true character, notice only two things: how they treat people they don't know, and how they respond when things don't go their way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel.